Hi guys, welcome to this new video. It's been a very long time that I've not uploaded a video where I'm sitting, in front of the camera. But today I've decided to make a video which is a little bit different from what I offer you guys on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Nouchi. What is Nouchi? Guys, Nouchi is a slang version of French, okay? It is not insulting, it is nothing related to that. It is just a way of speaking French, but that Nouchi is spoken only in Cote d'Ivoire. Are you interested in it? Do you want to know more about it? Let's go into the video. Alright, so welcome back to the video. The first Nouchi word that I'm going to teach you guys is Akwaba. Akwaba. What Akwaba means? It means simply welcome. Welcome to a place. Not welcome as you say thank you to somebody and he says welcome. No, but welcome to a new place. You're traveling from Ivory Coast to India. Once you reach, they say Akwaba to India. Welcome to India. Akwaba, word number one. Word number two, c'est comment. C'est comment. Or you can even say on dit quoi. On dit quoi. C'est comment and on dit quoi both means how are you or what's up. Okay? Akwaba, c'est comment. Welcome. How are you? Okay? Word number three is on est calé. On est calé. Alright, if you see that, it's like a French sentence. On est calé. But in Nouchi, it means something different. So on est calé means I am fine. I am fine. On est calé. I am fine. Or ça va mollo mollo. Okay, mollo mollo now is that Nouchi word. Ça va mollo mollo, which means I'm so-so. I'm not feeling that great. I'm not feeling bad. I'm so-so. Or you can say ça va molokai. Molokai. Okay? It's also another pronunciation of molo molo, which means I am okay, okay. Alright? Word number 4 is mifa. La mifa. La mifa in Nouchi is the family. So in French it will be la famille. The family. Mifa. La mifa. Okay? Now the word number 5 is le kobo, le koro, okay, le kobo, le koro, or in French le vieux. These three mean the same thing. Vieux in French itself means old, but in Nouchi, vieux means father, okay, like kobo, koro, vieux, the father, le père. Word number 6 or word number 6 is la vieille mère, la vieille, la madre, la oma. So all these 4 words mean mom, mother, la mère. Okay? Word number 7 is le grando, la grando. Le grando, la grando. These words mean elder brother or elder sister. So then it will change based on le or la. Le for brother, la for sister. But it's the same word. Le grando, la grando, elder sister or elder brother. Word number 8, le fiston. Le fiston, younger brother, la paysère, younger sister. Okay? Word number 9. Le bras mogo. Le bras mogo. Okay? Or le frais sang. Le frais sang. This one means your friend, actually your bestie, your best friend, bravo, or frère. Okay? Word number 10, être fan de. Être is a French verb, fan de, which means to like or to love. Okay? Now the opposite is ne pas être fan de. Ne pas être fan de, to dislike or to dislove if it exists. Word number 11. Y a rien, c'est propre. Y a rien, c'est propre. That one means it is perfect. Nothing to say. It is good. It is fine. It is perfect. Okay? Word number 12. Yafoi. Yafoi. This one means it's okay. Never mind. Okay? Like somebody does something to you, you're not too happy with that, and then he apologizes or she apologizes. You say, Chalo, never mind, leave it. It is fine. Yafoi. Okay? Word number 13. Bara. Bara. Bara means work. Okay? Now, if you want to say, I work at, for me, I work in a school as a French teacher, I will say, je bara dans une école. Je bara dans une école. Donc, bara means work. Okay? Word number 14. Y'a quoi? Y'a quoi? Y'a quoi means what happened? Y'a quoi? What happened? Okay? In French, it will become qu'est-ce qui se passe? But in Nouchi, we say y'a quoi? Y'a quoi? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? What happened? Okay? Word number 15. Yako. Make the difference between yakwa and yako. Yako actually is to show empathy or to be sorry. You know? In Ivory Coast, we people use yako almost every time. Let's say your friend missed his bus, okay, and you say, oh, I missed my bus, I reached late. You say, oh, yako, okay? Or your friend, lost his parent or their parent. You say yako, okay? Or something bad has happened to somebody and you want to show empathy, you say yako. So it's a way of showing empathy, or also I'm sorry of what is happening to you, okay? Word number 16. Zo dans carton. Zo dans carton, which means it's beautiful or handsome, okay? So if you want to tell your friend, oh, you look handsome, you say, tu es beau, or no, tu es zo dans carton. Tu es zo dans carton, means you look handsome. For a girl, same. Tu es zo dans carton, you look beautiful. Word number 17. S'enjailler. S'enjailler. Actually, that word is a Nouchi word, but it's part of the French dictionary, so we can use it also as we're speaking French, like as a normal language, not Nouchi. But its origin is from Nouchi language. Yeah. So s'enjailler is to have fun, to enjoy. S'enjailler. Okay. Now you conjugate it like in French. Je m'enjaille, tu t'enjailles, il s'enjaille, nous nous enjaillons. Okay, donc s'enjailler is to have fun. Word number 18, choco. Choco or chocolaté. Choco, chocolaté means also to be well dressed. Okay, somebody who is dressed up very well. You say, oh, tu es un choco. Okay, tu es bien habillé, tu es bien sapé. Sapé also can be used this way. Tu es bien sapé, tu es choco, or tu es chocolaté. Alright? Well dressed, looking smart. Word number 19. Atu. Okay? In Ivory Coast, we are very much into, physical touch, physical contact between friends, families, We just give hugs, we share our expression quite a lot, So when you're just giving hug to somebody, you know, while doing this, you say atu, you know. Like when I go home for my vacation and I meet my friends or I meet my family, atu, okay? It's like the gesture of, you know, giving hug. It's like to give hug to somebody, atu. Word number 20, beu, beu, or fraya, fraya, beu or fraya. It's mean to run away or to go away, okay? So if your friend is kind of irritating you or disturbing you and you want him to just go away, you say for fraya d'ici, like go away, just move away, okay? Or there was a situation and somebody was scared and he ran away, you say il a beu means he just ran away, all right? So this short video was to share with you people Nouchi, a few words of Nouchi, and I hope you love it. I hope you liked it. I just shared with you 20 words, 20 or a little bit more than that because I added a few synonyms, but 20 words in Nouchi which you can, you know, use in your daily, you know, life. If you go to Ivory Coast or if you're learning French as a foreign language and you want to, you know, include, you know, the variation of this French language, you know, as it is spoken in different places, you know, this video can be of a help. So if you like this video, if you want to know more Nouchi word, because it's not only 20, I just selected those 20, I can add on more. So if you're very interested in this video and you want to learn more about Nouchi, just put it in the comment section and let me know if you have any question. If you like me to make such type of videos, such type of content, let me know. It will be my pleasure to, you know, fulfill this one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in another video. Like it, share with your friends, comment, subscribe to the channel as well, and see you in another video. Bye bye.